Good morning. Out here with my daddy. That's my daddy. Hi, daddy. We're doing car things. We are about to hit the road again, so I'm making sure we straight. Oh, the sun is bright. Look at this one here. She is the greatest road trip party. Watch her, watch her, watch her. Watch her, watch her. Pan her phone. Yeah. Greatest road trip party, I tell you. Anywho, it's gonna be fun. We're at Reach Falls. You don't look so happy. What's wrong with your face?
Listen, that's how my face stings.
That's true. She got the resting face. So, it's pretty. It's cute. But unfortunately, I've been here before when it was lush and green and there was no drought. So I remember when the whole rock was covered. The whole rock was a waterfall, not just this sad little stream right here and this in the corner.
It's loud.
But it's cute. We're gonna enjoy our day. It's a hot Jamaican day, so
Can we go down there?
yeah, we're gonna explore and chill out in the cold water.
The fishies have disappeared.
You ran them away.
Oh my god.
out there and then go under again and come out there. Huh. Huh. Marley, you first? Woo! We made it back. We're now behind the waterfalls. Went all the way up there. Who wants to jump from right here? Not me, not I. Let's keep going. Alright, Marley says she wants to jump from yay high. Oh my gosh. Go, Marley, go! Woo! Alright. How was it, Mama?
Good.
Did you jump in the hole? Did you jump in the hole with me? Mm-hmm. But you jumped off from up high, so okay. She did a little bit of jumping. My hair is doing some.
Stop it.
It was so much fun. Going under the waterfall was so much fun. Scary, but fun. It's so funny how fear truly paralyzes us, and then you step and you're like, oh. It wasn't nothing. I'm like, look, the waterfall looks so scary to go under. When you go under and you're like, this is it.
You know, I was actually expecting to see something cool like a jacuzzi.
Fear is so paralyzing, but once you step through, whew, once you step through, ain't that a life lesson?